Hello guys, mayong adlaw sa inyong lahat. So, na mga pag-adjust nga ni sa akong bag guys. Ato pa guys, because I'm curious what's inside of this packages. So, let's just get started. Ako na yung gamay guys. Let's start. But, I wanna save the big one, the big boxes. Is this the little boy's hat? Little baby's hat? Oh, there's a gloves. Guys, it's a baby hats. They're cute. The one there. This one is like said hey. Words on it. Dots on it. And just plain. Fire hats for babies. And gloves. So those for the baby. Now another one. And that. Bag is t-shirt, white t-shirt, big t-shirt. Second guys for newborn baby t-shirt. They're all the same though. But yeah. This bag. There's a lot of baby t-shirts. Yeah. So here are the baby. They're so cute. And these guys are not cute, but different kind of animals. So cute. The pandas. The dinosaur. Baby shark.
Baby shark.
Lion.
Nanny.
Different colors, different animals. Tiger.
Daddy.
Oh, so cute. Let's go to another guy. What is this? Another baby receiving blanket. They're all different again. The white with a little giraffe on it. This one says stripes. Little ducks. Little cute. Plain one, but like color. Stars. Another plain one, but yellow. And animals. Now, boxes? Not everything. Here na guys. And should guys know? Yeah, overall. This is little fox. And should guys know? I do guys. Yeah. Kani ay araw. The overall. Honey. There's actually 4 guys.
Wow.
They're literally the same but different styles. Now, okay. Yung series ko ay kanang different siya na box guys from all of them.
Right.
Let's open it.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah.
I like it.
Can you hold up? Don't need no
It
co-
looks fancy. Oh my god! Okay. There's tapes. Protective. Bubble wrap, guys, to like make them safe so that it crack or anything. Ooh, I can smell it now. Look at it, guys. It's all babies. Bath Discovery Baby gift set. Look at it. It's all bath for babies. It's interesting. So it looks clean, guys. Ooh, there. Now let's get to the big ones. Ooh, that's me. Can you hear that, guys? This is more easy. Another one, guys. This is my favorite popping thing. Is it cute? It's a pillow, Ma? Okay. I think it's a good pillow, guys. Because it's soft. Ooh. Look at this, guys. It's for what's that? Car seat for the baby.
Kasi ito stroller.
Yeah, or stroller.
Worry.
Body support.
Yep, it is.
Where?
What is this for?
Head.
Oh. Oh. Okay, I get it now.
No.
I like it because it's my apples on it. And it's white color. It's pineapple designs. Ooh, this is gonna get dirty.
So, nabalo din sa plastic.
Well, I'm gonna secure it again. And it's gonna get dirty. It's actually soft. Yeah, put it in the bag. Yay! I've been waiting for this. I miss this thing. Look at it, guys. The pillow. It's actually a snack guy, Oshi. It's not like a pillow. I'm gonna open it, guys, so you can see it clearly. Let's take it out. See, guys, it's not. I thought it was gonna be a big one, but I don't care. Look. My favorite color, purple. Now we're gonna put the thing in the side. And open our last box. Our last box. I think this is the one that we're. Yep, another. Oh wow, that's a lot. That's a lot. because I'm gonna pop that later, guys. What's this? Oh. Okay, this is weird. Guys, what's this? It's so
Car seat
soft.
cover.
Oh, it's a car seat cover.
Ano mo gusto niya?
It is a car seat cover, guys. Look at it. There's like a head hole. Look at it, guys. It's so colorful. You can't really see it right.
Car seat cover. And car seat cover, and you can use this for breastfeeding, guys.
Oh yeah, so when you're in public, seat cover, guys, or a breastfeeding, guys, so no one can see it. And you know, it's like a blanket.
Yeah.
You put baby under when you're breast. Ang glass, guys. Sa box, guys. Is this that mommy got?
Mommy.
That's pretty.
This is cheese rings.
Daddy.
This doesn't look like a cheese. Okay.
Daddy.
It's so colorful though. Okay. So mauna na yung ang lahat, guys, is full ng rings. I only got 2. So that's it. Salamat sa inyong suporta, guys. Yung tanan. I love you all and see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
Like that.